Hello guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to search for images on Google. So the first thing is to log on to google.com. Okay, so when google.com opens up, the first thing to decide here is to decide the keyword you're going to search with. So for example, I'm looking for an image of a black guy that is smiling. So I can specify it this way: black guy smiling. All right. You'll see a lot of pictures here. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the images tab. Okay, so when it opens up, you will see a whole lot of examples here, and you will see some with watermarks. Okay, so all you need to do is to avoid those ones with watermarks and go ahead and click on the ones that doesn't have. You need the image to load up as clear as possible so you'll be able to see the full detail. Now, for each image you open up this way, you will see other related images under it that way. For example, I don't want to use this one exactly. I can look for other similar images under this one. For example, you can say this one. Whatever one you're choosing, just allow it to load completely and you'll see a whole lot of other things. And for each one you select, you will see another range of suggestions that are related to same image. Okay, so you're allowed to load up this way. For example, you want to download this image. All you need to do is to right click and go to save image as. Once you select that, you'll be able to go ahead and make your savings. So for example, you want to use a particular location on your system, you just go ahead and do that saving. All right. So once you've downloaded that, that is one approach to that. You can also decide to visit a particular site where you have this image from. So just click on this to visit the site. That will take you to where that image is sourced from. You go ahead and see what other images you have there. Okay, so you can check out a whole lot of other images using this same approach, and you have a lot of suggestions. That's why you get to see people search and have nice images, and you come and search and you don't see same thing. Most of them have to dig deep this way to actually get what they need. For example, you wouldn't see this kind of image surface just at the top there. Okay, even this one we just downloaded now, you didn't see it right at the top there. And for example, you want this kind of image but you don't want this one exactly, clicking on that would give you other possible suggestions that are close to the same one. Okay, and another thing I also do here is to attach HD to the keyword I'm using to search, and that would help me filter for a more higher quality image. Okay, so with that we'll be able to see a whole lot of other quality images here. You can see this version of this image is watermarked while this one is not. On different platforms they have their different policies, and those policies are being obeyed for you to have specific kind of images you have. So when you come to the site where you have this image source from, you can also see that image there, and if it is a site that has more images, you can see a whole lot of other ones there. Okay, so that is how to search for images directly on Google. You can search for anything using the same approach. Please don't confuse using it. For example, I am looking for, putting something like this: I am looking for a black man smiling. Now, this is actually a sentence, so you're not expected to put in something like this, even though in some cases you get suggestions. All right, it is expected that you put up something simple which contains the main keyword that you need. The black man smiling is the key thing. All right, so if you had like a sentence, you might have suggestions, but that might not meet up what you need. So you can just go ahead and tweak that. And for example, you use a keyword and you don't get the same thing, you can also go ahead and play around that to see other suggestions you get. You can see even with this one, as far as it's containing this keyword, we're able to still get other suggestions that are related. You can see, you can go ahead and specify even more specific way to actually reach the content you want, and that is that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is my YouTube channel. You see a lot of other trainings I have done here. Just click on the subscribe button there and then turn on your post notification for all posts that I'm going to make. As I make posts, you get to see them. Just subscribe and you get to learn a whole lot of things more from me. See you in the next video.